Welcome back, sunshine. So, this is me, Daisy, and today we're gonna make a video of us just going out together. And we have just started this channel last year, and it's has been just going so good. So we just thought to just sort of celebrate it and to just spend time together. For guys who don't know, I started this channel with my sister, and I really enjoy putting content on it. And today, me and my sister, we're going out. So stay tuned. He's just like, we listen and we don't judge. We
But
don't.
we judge definitely, I feel.
We definitely do.
You'll never know.
This bag is really not going with the outfit.
That's what I'm saying. I've been saying this to her.
But that's
We're
alright.
recording, right? Like the vlog.
Yeah, we are.
So let me tell you guys, like I was asking her not to bring this and put this in the fucking diggy, but she bought it. In the trunk, you say? It's fine. Come on, let's go.
We're just looking through the outfits, though we know we're not gonna buy it.
Her
Because
budget is not that much healthy.
no, that's not true, because I've already bought like some pieces, so I'm really not looking forward to shopping more. This is so gorgeous. What do you think about trying one?
If I don't buy it, then there's no point of trying.
Yeah, that's like, we're just kind of. Okay.
That's positive. That's
I wanna get like earrings for myself. Yeah. Maybe just want earrings. Like I don't want these. I just want like वो tops रहते हैं ना जो. They are. No, it's okay. I can edit that. Oh, here are them. Such tops. Nimrat bought like these ऊपर वाले. I don't like these.
तेरे ऊपर जो let me say this silver still. I guess you are more of a gold.
सिल्वर अच्छा लगता है मेरे पे. दोनों ही अच्छा लगता है, but सिल्वर ज़्यादा है. It's
I'm
just.
more gold because like तेरा जो undertone है, you're like sun. You're more of a sun kind of person. You didn't have.
Like here are they. I was just. Oh my god, I want to try them. Nimrat has the same. I mean, my sister, she has the same.
We're just telling you the beat.
You know what?
Go.
I'm gonna go with these because they are better and they suit me better as well. So
Yeah, what do you think about these heart ones? They're like very cute. You have these in better, the ones you have from Canada.
Yeah, but like I really want to buy these.
Like they're all on the same
The like, gold ones. So if gold ones would have been like in the same design, I would have literally bought them.
I know. Pretty.
I really want to buy this. Someone really special to me.
Yes.
Recommended it to me, and it's my sister who's just recording this.
Yeah, it's me.
So we're just gonna buy this one because it's cute, and these are not masks; they are bikes.
Yeah, we confuse it with mask. Let's take one for me as well. This one एक ही है.
एक ही ठीक है.
तो हम दोनों एक कैसे लगाएंगे? I want one for myself as well. Yeah, you got it.
So I'm very scared of like escalators, and she just told me that it's not escalators. It's basically it's not elevators. What are we doing here in Max?
You didn't see it, no?
Yeah, we didn't. We gotta go up like from there. We're basically high.
We're gonna go to like barbecue nation and we don't have.
Like there's a Burger King. Do we have a Burger King? You know, people are literally staring at us because
Who gives a fuck? No, let's just have it around.
we do not care. We definitely don't, but it's about actually like the city where we are in. People are mostly small minded here, so they're just giving us looks, and we are meeting like wearing matching t-shirts, and apart from that, we look like twins.
If that's not waste of money in eating.
I really want to eat. I'm very hungry.
Let's have something like the escalators.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe is right.
How do vloggers record like this, dude?
Yeah, it's like turn it on me. So it's like the first time we are doing this vlogging thingy, and you don't know what we're doing, but we're kind of figuring it out on the way to our working.
You must speak a bit louder because the noise is too much here.
We'll do the voice cancellation thingy.
Yeah, like so my phone, it has this voice cancellation AI, and I wasn't aware of this. I was just like, okay, it's gonna be nothing basically, but it is very good.
No, there's this.
You know, I come here. Yeah, I do. I just go for like that. What do you call it? What do you say it?
What?
I just come here often for I guess. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Go karting.
मैं तो पूछ रही हूँ हमारे लाइक जगह थोड़ी अगर बदलती है.
Okay.
मेरी
Yeah. We're going to Burger King, so
from that.
yeah, like we can just go from because we actually went to this Burger King and my like phone pay it's not working. It's not working. Like it has very good balance, like sufficient amount for us.
Lie, it was kind of embarrassing, but we got it covered, you know.
Yeah.
Because we are twins. Yeah, I think shit happens. It's fine.
Yeah.
I just feel like मैंने इसको ऐसे नीचे कर रखा था कैमरा एंगल ऐसे आएगी.
Yeah, I'm also feeling that out. बहुत दिख रहा है मेरे को. इधर देखिए. Are we? तो इधर आ. No, I should be there. ये हाथ से पकड़.
Yeah, तो मैं इस हाथ से पकड़ूं like this.
Yeah, now it's like full hand.
It's fine, like let's go. We're going. They look like YouTubers already.
Let's just have something to train, like a dessert kind of thing.
Because we have very less cash, all of our like most of our money is in like online, which is not working right now for I don't know what reason. I hope this never happens
They're
again.
expensive.
Yeah.
Like 140.
Let's just order something. Yeah.
So I'm going one. Because
We only have very less cash. I guess we only have like
no, really good.
we're not gonna expose it. We have very less cash. We have like all of the money on like UPI, and it's not working. The servers are down of this certain bank, and I don't know why it's happening.
Actually, don't know.
And it's the first time out together, and we are here just to have food. Literally, we're just here to have fun and everything. I'm just recording this for YouTube. It's gonna be a first ever YouTube video, which is not faceless. So please, if you're just making it to here, please just like the video and subscribe to the channel because that's very important.
There's like student ID where I don't know what they could be used to in these
Yeah, it's so
I can't
expensive.
tell with laptops. If I go there, I'm like, yeah, 60% off.
Yeah, exactly. Because here, like even something like if you wanna order like a plain burger, it's 190 here, like in the food court,
I'm like,
and it's too expensive. Like Burger King, they have like very good offers, but my UK is not working.
we usually when I'm like at home and when I sleep it, we order like a good deal. In 200, we order like 4 burgers.
Yeah, it's a good deal. Okay, stay tuned.
But we're not.
Just tell the tea.
Yeah, so if you guys know the service now, and it still is, so we're gonna pay with the cash we have.
Because we used like our last brain cells.
Yeah. Like, honestly, we could have paid with our cash, but then we wanted something else for me that I wanted to drink. She wanted to have a burger and I wanted to have a drink.
So we can just maybe have Coke.
That is 79 rupees, you know, and if we calculate the whole thing, then it's out of our budget.
Because we already did like little shopping. So we don't have cash. We have UPI. Like
Yeah.
we have money on
That's
UPI,
why we do it with the.
but we don't have it. You know. So let's just get going. This is so pretty. Pose.
We haven't taken any pictures. We will.
You can see.
Never failing to record the creaks.
Yeah, you were feeling like. Yeah, so we ordered what we wanted to. And let me open this for you. Aww. This must be nature update. I have my lip balm, I guess. Have it. I'm gonna open this for you.
We are clapping. I'm a very messy eater though.
I don't care, you know. I love that.
Sauce.
Sauce.
I love sauce. Only burger. They're playing Korean music. That Twice song.
Yeah,
I used to listen back, I guess in 2020. So I just remembered this song. And it's my favorite, like all-time favorite Korean song, which is I Can't Stop Me.
This would have I'm just looking at that. Okay, we're on a date, but that doesn't mean now. We'll share each other's saliva. No, I don't even. That was a joke. Of course.
So we are both going to different colleges. Let us spill the tea here. So we both are going to different colleges and we're gonna be moving into hostel vlogs. Like I'm gonna be teaching that because she's just gonna study from like a home city and her uni it's very nice as well. She wanted to do her course from here and me, I just wanted to go out. So
Yeah, so it's like you'll see content from both the sides. She'll show her uni and I'll show mine. That's how it works. And yep, there's a lot of things waiting for us. There's a lot of us. Don't mind my English.
oh my god, her outfit is
My
so cute.
god. It's like so good.
You know, I'm very shy to compliment people, but there was this girl, she was looking so gorgeous. And I couldn't stop myself from staring at her. I was like, oh my god, girl, you look so beautiful.
No, I'm not sorry from complimenting. You know, actually, we had this teacher for a practical. She had green eyes. And I swear to God, like, the prettiest set ever. And then I just complimented her. I told you. And then I just complimented her, ki, okay, ma'am, you look so gorgeous. You have beautiful eyes. Wait, I told you. I forgot what to say.
Like, I have a goldish memory. I hope you can see us. So like here, like in India, when you compliment anyone, you're scared. Because of course, you understand the other person's psychology as well. Because they're also scared when you're complimenting them. So they just get into the survival mode, especially girls. So that's why I just try to avoid complimenting. But if I genuinely know that person, then I'm gonna be like, you know what, you look so gorgeous. You look so gorgeous.
You look so gorgeous. I mean, okay, so let's talk about the creators here. So we have known each other since 7th grade, but we got close when we were in 11th.
And best of friends and best of the sisters.
Yeah, because she's the best person. That's how it happened. You know, like she's my best friend, but like the bestest person. That's the thing. And yeah, so on when we were in 11th, we got close, and then we discussed about this girl. My God, I was thinking
English is English.
I'm high, you know, in her presence. So yeah, we discussed. I'm looking at the guy. And then I forgot what I was saying. I'm like, we discussed.
We
Okay, so
discussed.
she was saying we discussed, but then there was this guy coming. He was actually being creepy. And then she said, I'm disgusting. Yeah, like. And, she literally just looked at it. Yeah, that's the thing.
In a town, very few people are like this, YouTubers. And whenever you go out, they're looking at you. I told you I'm a messy eater.
I'm here to
She's
take
just
a
looking at me like an elder sister and just cleaning my hands because I'm a very messy eater. Oh my god, it's mayonnaise. Yeah, so like even like most of our friends don't know that we are on YouTube and we didn't told them. So if you're watching, yes. They don't told you. Because for a reason.
She's iconic.
Of course. They know that.
Yeah.
Because most of like the people around us, they're very judgy. They're gonna be like, you know what? Oh my god, these girls are there in YouTube. They're doing a bad thing. They're spoiling the culture.
Yeah, and honestly, kudos to all the creators who are comfortable in their self and just recording this all because you get like eyes, like the total eyes are on you when you're recording. People are looking at you like, are they mad or something? Because that's what you get. In India specifically, I would say that when you try to do something,
And especially in like top 2, like top, yeah, tier 2 cities.
tier 2 city. Yeah, so it's like when you try to do something beyond the normal, beyond the usual, then you're basically the mad dog. But it's totally fine by us, because we're gonna leave all these people behind, as we have already like school once. So that's why it's working for us.
We're just spilling all the tea. We're just telling everything, like, this.
Yeah,
But we're not gonna say the names.
well, I wouldn't mind, but yeah, whatever.
Yeah, but we respect their privacy.
Yeah,
And honestly, like to all the people like who know us and we haven't told them about the channel, there's a reason because you like to bitch. You like to talk down, especially in women.
yeah, just to get that
Like she said.
validation.
Yeah, just like she just said that kudos to all of the women who are just like recording and just creating content and just like living the best life. So yes, we are very proud of you. It's genuine. And to all of the women who are watching this, just for inspiration, even to those we know and to those who don't, yes, you deserve a better life and a best life eventually. So never just stop working towards it.
and literally no one else is gonna come and save you. You have to do it for yourself, and that's better if you realize it early because you can't just wait around and life happens to you. No, that's not how it works. You have to make it happen for you by taking small steps, and that's our step. We are trying to do things for ourselves, and we make a short on that, like things that we are learning, like the language we are trying to learn and stuff. Because there's no point, because I'd say like this generation currently they are so distracted in reels and stuff, like anyone can get the success, it's so normal if you try.
Honestly, wait a second. Just go खाना मैं पानी पीने मुझे.
Cute.
Burger is stuck between my teeth.
Yeah, totally. Yeah. You don't eat onions?
Pickle के
Okay.
I eat onions without.
So, I guess we're gonna go home.
I have no plans for going home because it's our first day together. So I just wanna click this
Nice thing. So
Yeah.
we'll be right back.
And to all of you, please just like follow us on Instagram as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's it's Days with Daisy. You can just follow us. Days with Daisies.
Yeah.
Days with Daisies. And yeah, so, like what I was saying, that honestly, like
Yeah.
to all of the women who are just like following us. We don't know the camera angles. Please just excuse us if you're only seeing up to our noses because we are really just trying our best, you know. Yeah, what? No, I was just looking there. Okay. So yes. So honestly, a message for all of the women, like there are many inspirations for us. Like one of my friends, she's also just creating content. And she just said that I inspired her so much. And actually, before us, she made this content and I was inspired us. Like it inspired us to do the vlog. Please just excuse our English because we are just so high today.
Improving that as well.
Yeah, we are really improving that. Other than that, like people, they have a habit of judging women so bad. Like they always want to judge women for whatever they're doing and to be like, you know what, that you can't do this. And thanks to our family because they've allowed us to create our own virtual space where we can just put our thoughts across and just create a career out of it. We haven't monetized any of it yet, but soon we are really looking forward to. And more than that, what just makes us feel better is that we are able to put our thoughts into words and to all the women and to especially your sunshines, if you're a boy or a girl, doesn't matter. We will focus on just like putting content yeah, simply for that. So we just focusing on putting content of like, you know, what do you say? Like more of like a daily piece, self-help content and of our experience. So if you like that, just stick around. Just to subscribe. Things happen.
So we actually like took pics here and we were so excited. So we took like really many pics and they were really nice. Like to that's a left hand side. Perfect.
I'm like holding it.
Wait a second.
Wait, look. What is doing? This one's so pretty on you.
Yeah, fine.
Is it?
मैंने उधर आते से कुछ बंद कर दिया.
Let's go downstairs.
No, we wanna go to the washroom. There it is.
Yeah. My ass forgot that. I wanted to. Did I want to? Yes, you are.
Yes.
Look at that. Because maybe I just want that. Now we're just holding hands for the pain.
It's our first date together.
Yeah, we have been.
Free date.
Yeah, like we have been looking forward to this like for so long, honestly.
Really.
And now this day has finally come. I can't believe it. It's unbelievable, guys. Seriously.
Of course. Like
I
we.
wish like camera could be on from both the sides and we see the people looking at us.
Yeah.
Because
It's the first time and we are just acting so confident.
yeah, it's like okay. Is it perfect?
Yeah, it's just like this.
Yeah, like now we can make the meme on us as well, like social anxiety scared of us. You know?
It is because we are really just trying our best. Just not to get awkward.
So,
Give me a hand.
ouch, my hand is hurting.
Like to the people staring us, we're recording you.
Like fuck them. They basically have nothing to do in their lives. I just yelled at you so that they can help. I yelled it.
Yeah, she's just cursed. Like, I just love her for that. Now you're gonna go to the washroom.
What the fuck is this like? Now I can just stop. These people they're buying from shop like also like 400 or 500 something. They can buy from Vivo or somewhere.
Really? Because it's relatively cheap at the stores here. Then जहाँ पे नीचे इन्होंने सेल के लिए डाल रखा है.
See, this is 400? 500?
Yeah. Have to keep checking the camera angles because it's the first time recording it. So just don't mind us if just saying it like that.
Why do they?
Of course, because there are sunshine.
I want that too, you know, like the chat one, the red and white. I love it.
We love That one.
Yeah, that one.
I love that one too. Like, it will look really pretty. Like, I wish we had like we're not on a budget for today because we already bought so many clothes already. So it's time for the escalator, and I'm scared, so I'm just gonna switch it off.
Take a picture.
I'm still so much
Same Paris was like ये देख लीजिए. Same Paris हमें कभी Paris.
guys. We don't want to get high here. We really don't want to get high here because when we get high, we forget everyone around us.
Yeah.
Everyone. You know, I want to buy her something. तो भी मुझे दिला देने को 10 रुपए का था.
ऐसे नहीं बोल सकती ना तू.
अरे
10
नहीं.
रुपए नहीं 40 रुपए का.
अरे यार वो अमीर है ऐसे मत बोलो तुम.
It's like what do I do? I lend money to
Yeah.
people in my.
Yeah, you were saying something? Definitely. So we are just looking at stuff here. Huh?
This is not useful for us. Do you think something?
I was just buying to, I was just thinking to buy something for like my college.
No, these are not.
These are like too much.
Yeah, these are plastic.
These are plastic. It's not even crockery. मैंने ये तो इतनी बड़ी उठाई है इसको रख देती हूँ यहाँ पे.
You should have something.
I wanna see some keychains sort of thing. मुझे ऐसे पसंद है बट एक बार इनका प्राइस देख लो आप. मैं पहले ले गई हूँ so that's why I can't buy. I'm just wearing.
शायद सर से आपकी बात हुई थी अभी.
Come on.
प्रशांत बात करो.
Let's go. Let's just.
What the fuck is so expensive?
Yeah.
It's not even cheap. I want something memorable. Like, let's look for something memorable, you know?
Guys, we are so broke right now because we already spent so much on like shopping other stuff. So we have to edit this video because we are keep taking each other's name. So for this video,
My baby is taking my name again and again.
yeah, I'm taking her name.
I was about to say her name, then I'm like, yeah, my baby.
Yeah. These towels are cute. But I already have them, so I don't
Towel
think
in my home, you know, they were like,
I have the similar face towels at home. I want socks. एक पेयर कितने का है?
81. You can have this. ये तू women ये वाला ले ले, ये वाला सस्ता है, देख 51, 59 का है ये. तो ये वाला ले ले.
मेरी दादी ना 80 के 4 ला देगी.
रख दो फिर चलो.
अरे नहीं, my grandma she literally bought like they were very cheap but they were cuter than this.
लगाते मैं तो मर जाऊंगी ना.
और यार guys हम high हो रहे हैं.
चलो ऊपर चलो.
So we're gonna go upstairs. तो हम दोनों वीडियो बना रहे हैं बट मैं इस वीडियो की कैमरामैन लग रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं इसको रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ and I love recording. No.
Let me see. Let me see. थोड़ा ऊपर कर इसको.
So like मैं इसको ही रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ because I love recording her. Then I realized like we have to record both of us. So there is very good stuff. It's kind of expensive but it's very cute stuff. Reality check पहले देना पड़ेगा. देख मैं ना इसके बर्थडे पे इसको ये दूंगी.
तो मुझे पहले बता दे.
अरे यार लुक अच्छा
How gorgeous.
gorgeous. Oh my god, let's do some British accent. Oh my god भाई लेकिन और यार जब इसको दिलाती हूँ उसके पास पहले से रहता है. पाउचेस है. भाई मुझे जो चीज पसंद आती है वो महंगी क्यों रहती है?
तो हमारा बजट कम है खुद.
वी आर सो एथिकल प्लीज. नहीं हम उठा रहे हैं जो इसने बोला वो सुनो मत तुम अभी उसको इग्नोर करो. हमारे पास बजट है. वी हैव इट ओके. ओके सो दीज आर द पर्ल्स जिससे तुम वो बना सकते हो,
क्या?
वो फोन का वो रहता है ना। अपन एक काम करते हैं, लेके जाते हैं घर पे, एक दूसरे के लिए बनाएंगे,
ये लेके चलता है।
है ना। मेरे मैं मतलब तूने कौन सा लिया मेरे लिए? ये
वाला बनाना है मेरे को, स्टार बॉय वाला बनाना है मेरे लिए।
तो मैं बना दूंगा ना तेरे लिए।
तू मेरे लिए स्टार बॉय वाला बनाना है।
मैं तेरे लिए बना दूंगा।
तुझे कौन मतलब मेरे पास तो अच्छा
कोई बात नहीं बेबी। हाँ, कौन सा वाला तू देख ले, तू कौन ना चाहती है। जस्ट वांट समथिंग लाइक ऐसे क्यूट सा, लाइक जो फोन पे टांगने वाला है। मेरे तो है ही नहीं।
डू यू वांट लाइक पर्ल्स?
ये ओनली पर्ल्स हो जाएगा ना? ऐसे तो है मेरे घर पे, मतलब मुझे कुछ इस टाइप का चाहिए।
तो ले लो।
या फिर शुड बी गो फॉर, इसमें देखने दे ना 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 ना। गाइस हम पूरा हम रितिका देख,
दीज आर प्रिटी।
निकाल उसको।
या
Like here,
निकालो।
people have actually, you know, like steal like such small stuff, but we're gonna pay for it because of course, हमारी घर की दुकान नहीं है ये।
Literally, people are like,
You know, I took last time when I came here, I just took pic with this.
but so you would. Oh my god, now what? You have this at home, Papa. Go us like it. Oh my god.
Like, look at the tote bags, sir. These are pretty. Okay,
This one is pretty.
let's turn around.
660. This one is pretty as well. I've always liked such bags, you know. For maybe college, I'll get these ones.
450 का दिला दूंगी इससे बढ़िया क्वालिटी में।
चल के जाना फिर मुझे। चल के जाना मुझे।
अरे सही में, लाइक हमारे बाजू वाली दुकान पे है ना, मिलता है। We are just, अरे नाम बोल, तू नाम बोल। We're still very ethical.
और गिरा दूँ मुझे लग रहा है।
We're gonna go and look for plushies.
Where are they?
These are, you wanna click a pic with it? मुझे तेरा फोन दे। Here's us on wallpaper. ये बेबी चल नहीं रहा, इसको खोल।
So this like this much, okay?
Okay, sure.
Look at that.
She's so
I'm like, I
cute.
can't. What else? This one. No, this one is ugly.
You can't say that.
I'm racist. I just don't like this. I love pink, you know.
Yeah,
This one as well. One is for her, one is for me.
yeah.
No, I think.
अभी नहीं, मैं ऐसे कह रही हूँ, like as a metaphor.
It's like good, you know.
They are literally so pretty. This vlog is gonna be huge, guys. And we are actually gonna pay for this shit, so. I mean, we don't do this thing, right?
People actually steal.
Yeah, people actually steal. They are.
People with no class, honestly.
Literally, they don't.
They should just.
Oh my god, these are so pretty.
My god.
So we have bought just this and this. Like you can literally tell us vibes from here. This is mine and this is hers.
I know, I wanted particular type of.
I get it.
Like, I wanted that only.
She just likes a little masculine stuff and I'm like fully feminine. That's like a vibe, sa.
Yeah, like look at this one.
So just record me.
So basically, this woman at the counter who's just like calculating the bills and everything. She is such an inspiration because she doesn't know. I guess she's very new here. She's asking stuff like how to do it, what to do it, and it's honestly so inspiring to see women just win in their life. And yes, we are on that same path. One of the women, yeah, doing that. All the best. We're watching you.
You're watching you.
I mean, in a good way. In a good way.
Yeah.
She's very happy.
So she just left because she had very urgent work. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please just like the video and subscribe to our channel. That truly means a lot to us, and thank you very much.